Hello, small but mighty class, culturally inclusive learning communities. Just wanted to do a quick touch base. Today is Tuesday, November 26th. Checking my calendar. Day before, we're supposed to be getting a snowstorm here in Duluth and across Minnesota, Minneapolis as well. I know, Marianne, you're out in New York, out east. I don't know how your weather is, but it looks like winter weather is going to bookend the Thanksgiving holiday. So should be interesting. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick touch base with you and check in with this lesson 7. We are still in week 1. It's primarily focused on your parent guardian interview assignment. That's actually a case study. So I just want to just provide a little bit of guidance on that and talk a little bit about it. There's some content as well here in terms of a discussion post, but to be thinking, I want to look at this particular area, the interview assignments. So it's kind of a multi-step process. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously identify who you're going to interview, and then you're going to, conduct the interview. So you're going to write up the results of your interview like a case study, okay? And so there's an outline here that I provided you to look at. So drafting the case, you want to have your introduction, provide a little background, alternatives. You don't have to focus too much on that. You're basically just writing up the results of the interview as a case study. Okay, so you're going to have some challenge. You're going to through the case, you're going to outline the challenges that this particular parent sees with their child, for example, and come up with some solutions and possible recommendations. So I just wanted to use that. Now that's a guide, for you to use. Okay, so after you do your interview, you write it up as a case study. Then you're going to submit your case to your partner, Dana and Carl, Jim and Marianne. So make sure that you give them ample time to read it, submit your case, and then apply the case analysis to your partner's case. So if Dana is reading Carl's case study, for example, you're going to be using this case analysis step, which is from Paul Gorski's work, to the case study, and attached to this is an example of a case. Okay, so you could look at this and model your case after this if you chose to. You don't have to, but what I'm most here interested in is the case analysis that you apply to your partner's case. Okay, so make sure that you complete that and submit it. Okay, so back to the person. So Carl, make sure you give your analysis back to Dana and vice versa. And then what you submit is your interview, which is your written case study, and then your partner's analysis. Okay, and remember to look at the rubric that's here. Okay. Wait a minute, this isn't the right rubric. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I get the right one linked, because this is not the right rubric. So I'm glad we're doing this, because that is not the accurate rubric. I believe it's over here in course resources. So let's take a look. I just want to make sure that yeah, here it is. This is the right one. Okay, so remember now, you should be writing this up in kind of this format. Okay, so I need to be looking at these areas in your written case. Okay, so these things should be a part of your case. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of go through that. I apologize, for some reason it didn't link the right rubric, but I'm glad that we discovered that now. So anyhow, I will make sure that this is the accurate one. I apologize for that. It's under course resources though. Use the one that's identified there. And then here's where you submit And again, this is due on December 8th, which is the last day of lesson 7. So just wanted to do a quick touch base. I know we're going on break starting tomorrow for Thanksgiving holiday. The college recognizes Thanksgiving, and so we will be off for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I hope that you find some time to enjoy family, friends, and have a restful time away. But I just wanted to make sure that people felt some clarity about this process, because it is unlike some of the other assignments you've done this semester. It does have some multiple steps in it. So hopefully that was helpful. Reach out if you have questions, and have a wonderful, wonderful break. And rejuvenate, rest, relax, do the things you find joy with the people that you are close to, and come back. And I think we've got a couple weeks left of fall semester. Crazy how time flies. So anyway, happy November, and happy Thanksgiving to all of you and your families. Thank you.